Good morning, everybody. Welcome to online class Priyadarshini High School. Children, I am your social teacher, Mrs. Asra. Okay, children. So we have completed our lesson. Today I am going to give you the tools. Okay. So you all have to write down the tools in your formatted books and submit it on time to me. That is, whenever is the date given for you. The date will be mentioned in that is WhatsApp group. Okay, so you have 4 informatives, you have 4 tools: class response, written work, project work, slip test, isn't it? So in class response you'll get the marks for class work, and written work I'll be giving you now, and project work also, and slip test will announce the date for slip test. So today we are going to do the tool 2, that is written work. Here children, I am going to give you a paragraph and question answers. Okay. So the paragraph is the political features of India. Okay, you have to read this paragraph and answer the questions. The political features of India reflect the 28 states and 8 union territories. Read after me. The political features of India reflect the 28 states and 8 union territories, along with the boundaries, capitals and cities. Along with the boundaries, capitals and cities. Okay. Then every state has its own elected government, whereas union territory is ruled by the President of India through his representatives. The largest state in India is Rajasthan, while the smallest state is Goa. That is, every state has its own elected government, whereas union territories is ruled by the President of India through his representatives. The largest state in India is Rajasthan, while the smallest state is Goa. Okay? Then on 2nd June 2014, Telangana was separated from Andhra Pradesh, with the city of Hyderabad as the capital for both these states. On 2nd June 2014, Telangana was separated from Andhra Pradesh, with the city of Hyderabad as the capital of both these states. Okay, children, so this is the paragraph. You read the paragraph, then question answers are also given. Write down the question answers neatly and clearly. Okay. So first question is, how many states and union territories are there in India? How many states and union territories are there in India? कितने states हैं, कितने union territories हैं? So there are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. They are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. So how many states and union territories are there in India means what you will write? There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Okay. Then the next question is, which is the लार्जेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया? कौन सा स्टेट है जो लार्जेस्ट है इंडिया में? सो दैट इज राजस्थान इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया. दिस आंसर राजस्थान, RAJASTHAN, राजस्थान. राजस्थान इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया. ओके. Then the next question is, which is the smallest state in India? कौन सा स्टेट है जो सबसे छोटा है इंडिया में? So Goa is the smallest state in India. GOA. Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India. Okay, children. All can understand, I think, isn't it? Then the next question is, when was Telangana state formed? सो तेलंगाना स्टेट का फॉर्मेशन कब हुआ, कब तेलंगाना फॉर्म हुआ? सो तेलंगाना स्टेट was formed on 2nd June 2014. Telangana state was formed on 2nd June 2014. Okay, got it everybody? All can understand? Yes. The next one is, which is the capital city of Telangana? तेलंगाना का capital city कौन सा है? ओके, स्टेट है तो उसका कैपिटल भी रहता ना, तो कैपिटल सिटी कौन सा है? हैदराबाद इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ तेलंगाना. हैदराबाद इज द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ तेलंगाना. Okay children, these are the question answers. You have to write this first, write down the paragraph, then the question answers. Okay, now fill in the blanks. First, fill in the blanks. India shares the borders with dash in the east. This fill in the blanks I have given you in your class work. From there you have to write. Choose the correct answers. है देखो बच्चों, उसमें से ही है ये. There are dash states in India. India is a subcontinent of dash. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. The largest state in India is, अब भी पढ़ी मैं, largest state in India. ठीक है? So you will write the answers from your, that is, choose the correct answers from your first lesson. India shares the border with dash in the east. There are dash states in India. India is a subcontinent of dash. The capital of Jharkhand is dash. The largest state in India is dash. Okay, now project work. So your project work will be on the outline map of India. Political map ले लो. On the political map of India, mark the states and their capitals. और मेरे को ये neat work होना है. अगर neat work नहीं रहा तो I will not give any marks for project. Remember that. Okay, this is your that is formative tools, written work and project work. So all have to do your formative books and submit.